Top 8 Simple Morning Habits You Must Know to Stop Diabetes. Did you know that your morning habits could be the key to controlling diabetes? What you do first thing in the morning can make or break your blood sugar for the entire day. Stick around because today we're diving into 8 simple morning habits that could stop your diabetes in its tracks. Managing diabetes isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise. It starts with your morning routine. Believe it or not, the first couple of hours after you wake up play a huge role in how your blood sugar behaves throughout the day. In this video, we're going to break down the top 8 morning habits that you need to know to take control of your diabetes. And the best part, these habits are simple, easy to follow, and can make a big difference. Let's get started. 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, plays a surprisingly significant role in managing blood sugar levels and supporting overall health. When you wake up at a consistent time, your body becomes attuned to a natural rhythm, known as your circadian rhythm. This internal clock helps regulate key functions like hormone release, digestion, and metabolism, all of which affect blood sugar control. By aligning your body's natural cycles with your waking hours, you can improve glucose tolerance, meaning your body is more effective at processing sugar throughout the day. Research shows that our body's ability to handle glucose is better in the morning than in the evening. In fact, if you eat the same meal at different times of day, your blood sugar levels can spike much more dramatically in the evening. By sticking to a set wake-up time, you're essentially setting your body up for more effective sugar regulation right from the start of the day. Getting up at a consistent time also helps reinforce the habit of eating a healthy breakfast, which is crucial for blood sugar control. Skipping breakfast or eating at irregular times can disrupt your blood sugar balance and may contribute to weight gain or difficulty managing diabetes. Even small changes, like a fixed wake-up schedule, can make a big difference in your body's response to food, helping to prevent the blood sugar fluctuations that can occur when routines are inconsistent. Consistency is key, so aim to wake up at the same time every day to boost your body's natural rhythm and improve blood sugar regulation. This small change can set a positive tone for the rest of your morning routine and support better diabetes management throughout the day. 2. Test your blood sugar. Testing your blood sugar. First thing in the morning is a crucial step in managing diabetes. This simple habit can have a significant impact on how you manage your condition throughout the day. By testing your blood sugar as soon as you wake up, you get a baseline reading that shows where your blood sugar stands before any food or activity affects it. This can help track blood sugar fluctuations and adjust meals, medication, and activity levels accordingly. The benefits of morning blood sugar testing go beyond just knowing your starting point. It helps in detecting patterns or trends in your blood sugar levels that might require attention. For instance, if morning readings are consistently high, it could be a sign that evening insulin dose needs adjusting, or you may need to tweak your bedtime routine. This step also provides an opportunity to spot any unexpected fluctuations, especially if feeling unwell or having a change in routine. Regular testing can help respond quickly and prevent larger issues later on. If blood sugar is too low or too high, corrective action can be taken immediately, such as eating a snack or adjusting medication. By consistently testing your blood sugar in the morning, it sets you up for a day of better blood sugar management, which can lead to fewer complications over time. If using a blood glucose meter, make sure to follow correct steps to ensure an accurate reading. Wash hands thoroughly before testing to avoid contamination, and use fresh test strips to ensure accuracy. Recording morning results is also helpful for tracking progress and discussing trends with healthcare team. 3. Eat a healthy breakfast. Eating a healthy breakfast is one of the best things you can do to manage diabetes and keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Your breakfast should focus on a combination of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein, which helps prevent sharp spikes or crashes in your blood sugar. Here's why it's so important. When you eat a breakfast rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, it slows down the digestion process. This means that glucose is absorbed into your bloodstream more gradually, which helps keep your blood sugar levels from spiking. For example, oatmeal with nuts and berries is a great option. The fiber in the oatmeal helps regulate blood sugar, while the nuts provide healthy fats and protein that keep you feeling full longer. You can also try a vegetable omelet, which is a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, or a smoothie with Greek yogurt and spinach, which delivers protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. Skipping breakfast or choosing foods high in refined carbohydrates, like sugary cereals or pastries, can have the opposite effect. These foods cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish later on. Instead, focus on whole foods that provide lasting energy and support balanced blood sugar. The key is to combine the right ingredients that provide lasting energy and support blood sugar control. Fiber-rich foods, lean protein, and healthy fats should be your go-to choices. By starting your day with these types of foods, you'll set yourself up for better blood sugar control throughout the day and reduce your risk of complications related to diabetes. 4. Take your medication. Taking your medication on time is one of the most important habits in managing diabetes effectively. Whether you're on insulin or oral medications, staying consistent with your medication schedule can make a world of difference in your blood sugar control. By taking your medication at the same time each morning, you're helping your body maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is key to preventing dangerous fluctuations that can lead to complications. When medications are taken as prescribed, they work best by aligning with your body's natural rhythms. If you take your medication at varying times each day, it can throw off the effectiveness of the treatment. This may lead to blood sugar levels being either too high or too low, which can increase the risk of both short and long-term complications. Establishing a routine helps ensure that you're getting the right amount of medication when you need it. If you struggle to remember taking your medication, consider setting an alarm or linking it to a daily habit, like having breakfast. This will not only help you stay on track, but it can also make the process easier and less stressful. And always keep in mind that if you experience side effects or have concerns about your medication, consult with your healthcare provider immediately. They can offer advice on adjusting your medication or treatment plan. Consistency in this case truly is the key to better diabetes management. 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective habits to help manage diabetes, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. When you wake up in the morning, your body has been without water for hours, and dehydration can cause blood sugar to become more concentrated, leading to spikes. This is especially problematic for people with diabetes because dehydration can make it harder to control blood glucose levels throughout the day. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps hydrate your body, kickstarts your metabolism, and supports better blood sugar regulation. The impact of dehydration goes beyond just affecting blood sugar. It can also put extra strain on your kidneys, causing them to work harder to filter blood. This process can lead to the retention of more sodium and water, further complicating blood sugar control. Proper hydration helps your kidneys function more efficiently, reduces the risk of high blood sugar, and supports overall well-being. It's recommended to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water per day, but individual needs may vary depending on factors like activity level and environment. Starting your day with a glass of water is a great habit to build into your morning routine. It helps prevent dehydration, reduces the temptation for sugary drinks, and supports better digestion and energy throughout the day. Staying hydrated is not only good for blood sugar control, but also helps you feel more energized and reduces the chances of fatigue, which can lead to poor decision-making. Keeping a water bottle handy throughout the day and making a conscious effort to drink water regularly is a simple but effective strategy for better managing your diabetes. 6th, exercise. Exercise is essential for managing diabetes, and incorporating it into your morning routine can have a profound impact on blood sugar control. Regular physical activity helps your muscles use glucose more effectively, reducing the amount of sugar in your bloodstream and improving insulin sensitivity. When you exercise in the morning, especially within an hour of waking up, you help your body start the day with a boost in metabolism, which can regulate blood sugar levels for hours. The key is consistency. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each morning, such as walking, cycling, or yoga. This can be as simple as a brisk walk around your neighborhood or a light session on a stationary bike. Benefits of morning exercise go beyond blood sugar regulation. It can also increase energy levels, improve mood, and help with weight management, all of which are critical in managing diabetes. Moreover, regular physical activity reduces the risk of complications associated with diabetes, such as heart disease, by strengthening your cardiovascular system. Before starting any exercise, it's important to check your blood sugar levels, especially if you're on medication. If your blood sugar is too high, exercise could make it rise even more, and if it's too low, you might risk hypoglycemia. After exercising, remember to monitor your blood sugar again to ensure it remains within a safe range. Incorporating exercise into your morning routine is one of the simplest and most effective ways to keep your diabetes under control. Not only does it help with blood sugar levels, but it can also promote overall well-being and make managing diabetes much easier in the long run. 7. Plan your day. Planning your day is one of the most effective ways to manage diabetes. It's easy to feel overwhelmed with all the tasks you have to juggle, but a simple to-do list can be a game changer. Planning out your meals, snacks, exercise, and appointments ahead of time ensures you stay on track with your diabetes management. Start by outlining your meals and snacks for the day. By planning, you can ensure that your meals are balanced, nutrient-dense, and fit into your blood sugar management plan. It helps prevent last-minute temptations that could lead to unhealthy choices. Knowing exactly what you'll eat and when makes it easier to stay consistent with your diabetes care. Next, schedule your physical activity. Adding exercise to your morning routine, as we discussed earlier, helps regulate blood sugar and supports your overall well-being. By planning it in advance, you're more likely to stick with it. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or another form of moderate intensity exercise, having it on your schedule increases accountability. Don't forget to schedule time for testing your blood sugar. Consistently monitoring your blood sugar levels is crucial for understanding how your body responds to food, exercise, and medication. By having this on your list, you ensure that you stay on top of your health. Planning also includes keeping track of your medications. Take your prescribed medications at the same time every day, and consider setting an alarm to help you remember. This habit helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and supports long-term health. Having a clear, planned routine reduces stress and helps keep your blood sugar levels more predictable. It gives you control over your day, and with consistency, it becomes second nature. Remember, a little preparation in the morning can lead to better diabetes management, fewer surprises, and more energy to tackle the day ahead. 8. Stay consistent. Staying consistent with your morning routine is one of the most effective ways to keep blood sugar levels stable throughout day. By waking up at same time each day, you help regulate internal clock, which not only stabilizes blood sugar but also improves overall insulin sensitivity. Consistency plays a huge role in managing diabetes, and this includes every aspect of morning routine, from when you wake up to taking medication, eating breakfast, and even getting enough hydration. More consistent you are with these habits, easier it becomes for body to predict and regulate blood sugar fluctuations. Try sticking to same schedule every day, even on weekends or days off. This consistency will help you avoid common pitfalls that can occur when body isn't prepared for changes in routine. Whether it's ensuring you have healthy breakfast or making time for exercise, small steps will add up and support diabetes management plan in long run. Building routine that feels right for you and sticking to it can make mornings smoother and day more manageable. It's all about creating habits that support health without feeling like burden. In conclusion, incorporating these 8 simple morning habits into your daily routine can make a big difference in managing your diabetes and overall health. By waking up at the same time, testing your blood sugar, eating a balanced breakfast, staying hydrated, exercising, planning your day, staying consistent, and taking your medication as prescribed, you set yourself up for success. Small, consistent actions each morning can help you control your blood sugar, feel more energized, and maintain better health long term. Remember, diabetes management doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about forming healthy habits that work for you. By sticking to these simple yet effective morning routines, you'll be well on your way to living a more balanced and controlled life. What do you think about these habits? Do you already practice some of them, or is there one that stood out to you? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your morning routine and how you manage diabetes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out more videos in the description below for more tips on how to stop diabetes. Stay healthy and take control of your mornings. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.